Introducing the AUET-1000DC Torque Tester from Flexible Assembly Systems. Are you in need of a cutting-edge digital instrument to revolutionize your torque measurement and testing capabilities? Look no further than the AUET-1000DC Torque Tester. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to meet the demands of modern assembly and quality control processes. With a torque range of 100-1000 nlb and a resolution of 0.1 nlb, the AUET-1000DC delivers highly accurate and repeatable torque measurements, ensuring confidence in your testing results. The large backlit LCD display provides clear and easy-to-read torque values, while the included software allows for data logging, analysis, and customization of test parameters. The AUET-1000DC offers multiple testing modes, including peak, average, and real-time, enabling you to capture various torque measurements based on your specific requirements. The 3/8-inch drive makes it compatible with a wide range of torque transducers and accessories, providing flexibility for different applications. Equipped with a USB port, the AUET-1000DC allows for easy data transfer and communication with external devices, facilitating efficient data management and analysis. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AUET-1000DC Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatile testing modes, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for assembly and quality control professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the ultimate precision and reliability in your torque measurement and testing processes. Visit flexibleassembly.com today. Our on-staff assembly tool experts are available to answer your technical questions and help you find the right torque tester for your needs.